Good morning everyone, welcome back to JMC Creates. My name is Jackie McKissick and today I am going to make a card using Stampin' Up's Arrange a Wreath dies. So, a version of this is what we're going to make today. These are the dies. Okay, so, but I'm doing differently this time, of course. So my card base is 8 1/4 by 5 3/4 scored at 4 1/8. I have taken the love die and I've cut it out in orange this time. I didn't use the love die the last time. I've got a different idea. I cut it out in red, yellow, gold and orange, and I've stuck a bit of, this is just, I needed it oomphed, so I cut it out of some scrap card and I stuck a bit of blue card behind the love bit, and I poked in the L in red, the O in yellow, the V in gold, and then the E back in the red, and that's how I've created my love. I was going to do that, but I quite like the vividness of that, the brightness. So I am using a piece of Stampin' Up So Saffron card that is, that's cut, that's stamped in the wrong side. And what I mean by that is, if you can see, that's my leading edge, so it should be at the front and I have my stamp on there. So another one, there we go, that's a bit more like our thing. So this is 4 by 5 5/8, and then my patterned piece will be 3 3/4 by 5 3/8. And I'm using a bubble background that I made on my jelly plate with some acrylic paint and a piece of bubble wrap. And I then took an Alina Cuttle snowflake stamp and stepped it on top of it, and I want it to go that way. Okay, just to give it a Christmas feel, I used it. Yes, I do want to do it that way. I wasn't sure there if I was doing it the right way, but I am. Okay, maybe that will be this way a bit. So a better look. Okay, so then I have cut this one out twice and this one out twice. So I did a yellow and a gold in that one, and I did an orange and a red in this one, and I took the colours from my background, red, orange and yellow. So there we go. So I'm putting an orange, then a red, oh no, then the yellow, oh no, I want the gold, I don't want, you see, now I'm getting to the nitty gritty, I'm not sure where I want it all, and I just want to be able to have layers. Now on that one there, I actually inked them. I inked a purple, 2 different pinks, 2 different purples and 2 different pinks. So I did. So this time I'm doing it like this, and I'm bringing it down just a little bit. So I want to use a different glue. So I'm just putting dabs of glue on. It doesn't matter that I didn't poke out the bits there because nobody's going to see it. And as you can tell, I'm just putting little dabs in strategic spots and then plonk. Just plonk it down. Oh, look, I have a dirty mark in the back of that thing. Jeepers creepers, the card bases are not rocking and rolling it today. There we go. There we go. Right, so that one. Then orange. So this one's a little different. It doesn't have as many broad places to put, so you're likely having to put it on some of the leaves, but leave the ones on the outer and the inner so that you can lift them up if necessary to give your thing a bit of va-va-voom. And I'm putting them off to the left and the right. I'm not putting them right on top of each other, because I need to be able to see all the different bits. So now we're doing our yellow one. And you get a stamp set to go with this, but I really like this wreath die set. I like the different styles. Okay, and then my red one. And once again, being careful where I'm putting my thingamajig. Okay, and that's going on there like that. And I know I'm pressing all this down firmly, but I shall go in and do this in a little minute or two once I've given that red one time to go off. So the idea is to put the love in there, but I needed to make it a little bit more Christmassy, so I put in Christmas love. And I thought that was nice. So let's get some glue. Now this is mainly just going to stick on the outer bits, but I'm putting glue on wherever I can, because the more it sticks, the better you like it. So Christmas love. And I've cut out the bow, a gold one and a red one, and it's going on there. Now L-O-V-E, wait a wee minute. If I stuck some card on there to inf that out a bit so that it would stand out off there. See the way it's sticking up at the bottom and not up at the top. So if I get some scrap card and just stuck it on to give me a bit of height at the top, as much as I possibly can, without having to reveal what I'm doing. Like that kinda, so that it sits level. I think I need another one. Okay, like that. And then that's going to sit like that. Oh, stop it, I like it. And then we'll put glue on there, and we'll put a little bit on there too. Right, there we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go now and see if we can pick up a few of these bits. We want a few in the top at least. You know, just to give it a little bit of dimension. You don't want it as flat as a pancake, so we don't. We want to give it a little bit of floatiness, like that. Okay, just take your time, and it'll likely flatten down in the card, but I don't care. Once I have it made, it's not mine anymore. It's away to the residential home or the charity shop. So then that goes on there like that. Or does it? Or do we put it on down there? Or do we put it on up there? Or do we not put it on at all? Decisions. No, I'm not putting it on. I don't want it on. I like it the way it is. Right, we want some gems now. Let's see what we have in our gem cupboard. I tidied out all my gems yesterday. All nice new squares. They're so pretty. And then they'll all get picked off again. Right, I have orange gold. What have I got on that one at the front? That one there. I could use them orange. Orange. I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put one there. Okay, I'm trying to use this sheet up first because it's all mixed ones. So it is. So orange. I've got red. Right, and then I'm going to put a couple of gold on. And then a couple of little yellow ones. I keep getting bits stuck to my gems. Just a couple of little yellow ones in there and on there. Okay, oops, wrong side, wrong side. Ugh, jeez Louise. There we go. And there. And that, red, orange, yellow, green, white, gold. Okay, that is our card using Stampin' Up! Arrange a wreath dies. That is number 1, that is number 2. So, let me know which one you prefer. I hope you liked it. I'd love you to give me thumbs up. Comment if you can, despite the wonky comment problem. And come back for some more. I really do appreciate you stopping by. I hope you're all safe and well. And until the next time, Jack you out.